Aspiring veterinarians of the Guyana School of Agriculture and veterinary staff of the Guyana Livestock and Development Authority took to the streets of central Georgetown and took samples of approximately 130 equine species. The exercise is part of the GLDA's Animal Health Program for 2019. Dr. Randy Storm, Senior Veterinary Officer at the Guyana Livestock and Development Authority, GLDA, expounded to Nightly News the purpose of the exercise.
This exercise that we're doing, it is referred to as EIA serosurveillance. EIA stands for Equine Infectious Anemia, and we usually go around every year and we take blood from horses that will be taken to the Veterinary Services Laboratory to test for this disease. This is one of the diseases that we have to report to the OIE, which is the World Organization for Animal Health. So when we test the horses, we will know what is the prevalence of the disease and how serious the disease situation is within the country itself, and make an annual report to the World Organization for Animal Health.
Equine infectious anemia, also known as swamp fever, is a blood-borne viral disease transmitted primarily through insects such as horse and deer flies. Horses tested positive for the disease will be removed to prevent the disease from spreading to other horses. Here's why.
There's no vaccination for the disease, so once horses are test positive, we'll have to eliminate them from the population in order to prevent the spread. Because if a infected horse is bitten by an insect or a mosquito and it then goes and bites another horse, that's the way how it's transmitted from one horse to another. But it's not transmitted to a human being. It's only a disease that affects horses and donkeys, mules.
Dr. Storm highlighted some of the symptoms that indicates that the disease is present in a horse.
Horses will appear anemic. You'll have like pale mucous membrane. They'll be weak, they'll be lethargic, lost to weight, and you could also have abortion in pregnant animals.
Similar exercises were conducted on the East Coast and East Bank of the Marara on June 18th. When Nightly News visited the team, Lanique John, a second-year student at the Guyana School of Agriculture, said that the owner of the horses will be contacted if their horses are tested positive for the disease.
Currently, we're just jotting down the owner of the horse, the name of the horse, the age of the horse. So whatever they found in the blood or whatever we found, they will just call the owner and say, okay, well, the horse is this and this.
Tamika Rodney reporting for HGP Nightly News.